Puneethan,
Okay,
what
good.
does your heartbeat says right now?
Well, I'm quite composed. I think our first contestant looks composed as well.
Yes. So may we have the AV for our first contestant. Ladies and gentlemen, let the Masti Showcase 2018 begin.
Masti Showcase 2018, where stars are born. Our very first contestant from the Bangla category is Debanwita Kha. Trained in Hindustani classical, Debanwita started her musical journey when she was 3 years old. She is a graduate in vocal Hindustani music from Prayag Sangeet Samiti, Allahabad. In 2017, Debanwita could not reach the finals of the Masti Showcase stage. However, in 2018, she's glad that the stage got extended to the Bangla community. And here she is, excited and confident as she walks to perform on one of her favorite tracks. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Debanwita Kha.
A very good afternoon, judges. Very good afternoon, everyone.